In the world of marketing, a well-crafted plan is the compass that guides you to success. And today we're diving into the art of creating a marketing plan step by step. Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm Jason, where we're going to be unveiling the secrets to developing a marketing plan that drives results. This is your guide to marketing mastery. Now, the journey begins with understanding the power of a marketing plan. It's not just a document, it's your roadmap to success. Coca-Cola, a global beverage giant, attributes much of its marketing success to well-crafted plans. Their iconic campaigns are the result of meticulous planning. To create a successful marketing plan, you need clear objectives. Know what you want to achieve and make it specific and measurable. Apple, the tech giant, sets clear marketing objectives for each product launch. Their goal is always specific, whether it's to increase market share or boost sales. Your audience is at the heart of your marketing plan. You've got to understand their needs, their preferences, and their behavior. A study by Nielsen found that 59% of consumers prefer to buy new products from brands familiar to them. Audience understanding is key. Not all marketing channels are created equal. So pick the ones that align with your objectives and resonate with your audience. Oreo, the cookie brand we love, used social media channels like Twitter and Facebook for their Dunk in the Dark campaign during the Super Bowl blackout. It went viral and generated so much buzz. Your message is the heart of your marketing plan. It should be clear, compelling, and consistent across all channels. Nike's Just Do It slogan has become iconic. It's a message that motivates, it resonates, and is consistent across their branding. Financial planning is crucial too in your marketing plan. Set a budget that aligns with your objectives and the strategies that you've chosen. Procter & Gamble, P&G, allocates a significant budget for their marketing efforts, ensuring they can run impactful campaigns for their numerous brands. And there you have it. Creating a marketing plan is all about understanding its power, defining the objectives, knowing your audience, choosing the right channels, crafting your message, and of course, setting a budget. So the next time you're creating a marketing plan, just remember these steps. They are your roadmap to marketing success.
Dive into the world of AI-driven success. Sign up for a comprehensive demo and witness firsthand how B2B Rocket engages, qualifies, and converts prospects effortlessly. It's time to revolutionize your sales process. Sign up now.